It's nice that there's a little imprint right there. And it'll help me shape up the pedal so I could cut the firewall. This feels fine. Oh, so let's strip that. Yeah, strip me. This might be too thick. What the fuck? Why is that like coating so thick?
Nice catch.
Our jumper.
Okay. Where's it go?
I'll show you.
Alright, explain what that is real quick.
So this is gonna be a jumper so that way the car thinks it's in neutral, and we plug it into this top one.
Which one? Top one?
Yeah, it's got two male prongs. We're just gonna jump the two. Oh man, it's too short. This should be everything we need to start the car.
Good, man.
Alright, so the pedal has a really high grab point, so it's weird. Like that's where it grabs. And no second gear, which sucks. Yeah, nothing.
No second at all.
It's sad.
Watch out, these poor people. Try third gear right away. Oh, I mean, it's like, it's doable. Should be a cruiser.
See, what sucks about the clutch is that the pedal feels really good.
Yeah.
It's super interesting. But, see, it's weird to give it gas. Oh, there's no second, I forgot. It's really weird to drive because the grab is so high because the pedal's messed up.
Yeah.
What was I gonna say?
Take it apart for you so we can like just like test it out a little bit.
So it's either you don't slip it enough or you slip it too much.
Let first bang a little bit, yeah.
It's definitely not happy about putting a flirt. But it's cool to see a manual. I just wish it was actually a good manual.
Jesus.
Why does the front feel so floaty?
I think it's your toe out in the rear.
Oh, yeah.
I think it's really throwing it off.
Yeah, the front feels so floaty.
No,
But it feels so floaty.
Yeah,
it's dangerously floaty.
it's the toe.
Wow, that's so weird.
What's that noise?
It's the it's
rubbing.
It's dangerous floating.
Yeah.
I need arms.
Add that to the list.
I'm just gonna park this bitch and forget about it for a few months.
What? We just did a whole manual swap.
And everything about it sucks.
Give it the beans, man. Yeah.
That's her, dude.
Dude, she's a...
Oh, dude, look at that.
Yeah, it's the toe. It's a bad situation.
I just pulled it out of there without using the clutch.
Yeah, you can do that. Take it apart, man.
Oh, you want to go to park here? So it's weird because the grab is so high. The shifter sucks ass. It is not happy being third right now. And another thing that sucks is that the tag doesn't work. So I don't even know what RPM I am. Like, I could have been lugging that bitch at like 900
You're
RPM. Right there.
definitely lugging it, dude. It sounds like you're lugging it. So you got the hang of it.
It's just so, dude, that floatiness is obnoxious.
Shit.
Like, you gotta put it into like, well, it's almost like in fifth.
It sounds like it's something of bass. Oh, watch out! Don't go straight all the way because it's that hump. It's a hump.
So it's nothing.
What?
Dude, the floatiness is obnoxious. Do you want to feel this?
Yeah. What do you mean the hump is nothing? This is a bad hump. This poor car. What did you do to this thing?
It's all the way at the top.
There we go.
The toe is fucked. It's definitely not third.
I literally floored it there and like nothing. No,
dude, it sounds
nothing.
like it's about to stall.
It gave me no power.
What a fucking mess. You'll do a burnout?
I'm not. Starting off.
I know, it's just weird.
Man.
Bro!
Dude.
Well, that kind of sucks. Second doesn't exist. And the toe's really fucked up because I did camber arms to zero out the camber from lowering the car. And the toe's really messed up, so it feels very floaty.
Yep.
But that's whatever, like that's an easy fix.
Yeah.
The trans fucking sucks.
Yeah.
There's no second gear. And since we use an S13 clutch pedal, the pedal's like in the fucking dash.
Yeah.
I ordered an R33 Nismo bracket, but I probably got scammed on that.
Yeah. Yeah, you got scammed, man. Hey, listen, man.
I mean, I like almost don't even want to swap the pedal now.
Hey,
It's
listen.
fucked.
Listen, man.
Third gear grabs. When we were driving it, we were actually putting it in fifth because I have Steve's stupid ass ISR shifter.
Yep.
So it sucks ass.
Yep. It's bad.
But when it's in third, it actually kind of has some torque. It definitely won't be able to drift, which sucks.
Why not?
First to third.
Just like rape the clutch.
I don't know how to drift first. First is fucked up.
No, just like third gear and just like clutch get
the
hard.
240s did not want to drift the 18s in the rear in second while clutch raping it.
Yeah, so just like give it like a shit ton of clutch.
That's not gonna work. So it turns out I did not get scammed actually. It's been a couple weeks since that last clip. I had ordered a R33 clutch bracket and it actually showed up. This company just had terrible communication, but you know, they actually delivered clutch pedal at like 2/3 of the price of anywhere else. Pretty interesting how different these are. Like, you know, besides the big spacer right there, the angle of the tab up here is pretty significant compared to the S13 one. The angle is really different actually. So I guess that makes sense why my pedal was really fucked up. But let's swap this over and finish up. Oh, that was completely loose. I don't know if it's supposed to be that loose, but it was. I ended up just sticking a bolt there as like a stopper, but the pedal still needs to be extended like a couple inches down. But it's a lot easier to drive like that. The only thing that sucks is that there's no second gear. So I'm probably just not gonna drive this car or do anything to it until it's time to put the RB25 in.